Guys, hey there guys! We want to build the Kevin Minion. Subscribe. Click on our channels. Just a minute of our minions. Just below I do. After that, and then I say there it is, and then I will start to upgrade.
Okay.
And then let's go.
Let's go.
It is okay. I'm almost done. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Show the face of Kevin. Wow. Oh, I say thank you na.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Why? I forgot to say this about. But to Kevin, and then I forgot to do something to see of Bob. Bob is in the school service. I don't like it because we subscribe.
Oh, sige na, sabi mo to show the buo again.
I will table it.
Okay.
Just wait a minute. Just the car also. I take off it.
I want to see the buo the car.
Yeah, also this. And this one. We could just here on. Hey, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mom, there it is.
What is that?
A car.
Minion's car.
Now I bought the Minion's turn.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not bought yet, but it's our channels for our Minion to fetch the Minion to go. Oh, amen. Let's go.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. It's the arms. Put it here to the body. Uh-oh. Again. The other arms. Here. And then this one. Oh, it can be to there. Yeah! It's so funny. What? That's the wrong way.
What is that?
Amen.
What part of the body is that? Danna! Show Kevin that, show Kevin riding his car.
Wait. Uh-oh.
Okay, that's nice. What will you say na?
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you on our next
Video.
video. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! So, I love you.